In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to swap coins on Trust Wallet. You can simply exchange coins on your Trust Wallet account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Trust Wallet. On this page, you will have to tap on the swap option right here. To exchange coins, simply select the coin you want to swap right here. If you can find it here, just head into the search bar and search for it. Then after select the coin you want to get in exchange right here. Let's say you want USDT coins. You will have to enter the amount you want to swap. It's always easy to basically just put in what you want to get. Then you will see what you will be trading for. Just enter the amount you want to receive. Then tap on Preview Swap to proceed. That's how easy it is to exchange coins on Trust Wallet. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.